Hearty welcome to you all who have joined LIBA today. I am Farina from P17 batch. Studying PGDM at LIBA was really an amazing experience for me. The management follows a holistic approach to groom the students. That is, they don't concentrate only on the academics part. Equal importance was given for guest lectures, culturals, and other activities as well. I did the part-time program, and the entire session would be very interactive. Also, the class was filled with working professionals from various domains, which was another beneficial thing for us because any concept explained in the class, we were able to apply, relate, and understand in a much better way. The professors were also well experienced and very friendly, which was another plus point for us. They also motivated us to come out of our comfort zone and explain our ideas very well.
Hi, I'm Ram. The 3 years PGDM program in LIBA is a program for working and experienced professionals. And I chose this program to enhance my work and management knowledge with productive learning experience. And I must admit, I thoroughly enjoyed the whole learning experience. The learning experience in LIBA has exponentially amplified my knowledge. The faculty and facility we have at LIBA are of world-class standards. The face-to-face classroom sessions, peer-to-peer discussions, and the business case analysis we had at our class have helped me to change the way I look into my business problems, and it's helped me to take a better decision to resolve the issues. The 3 years have molded me a better leader. I'm thankful to LIBA and the faculty for making me a better person, professionally and personally. Thank you.
Dear friends, I am Prakasam from P17 batch. Hope all are doing very well and safe during the current COVID-19 situation. I am very happy to welcome you all to join our LIBA part-time PGDM family, and this is one of the right and intelligent decision you have taken to study at LIBA. This will be one of the biggest milestone in your entire life. During the last 3 years, I learned a lot. There are a lot of insights, new experiences, new good habits, learnings, skill, knowledge developed, which are all required for a successful leader and a successful entrepreneur, and even not only Abhishek, including our personal life. This is going to help for your entire life. Hope you all will enjoy and learn new things.
Greetings everybody, I am Joshua Chandappan Edward from the part-time batch of 2017. Doing my PGDM from such a prestigious institution like LIBA was an honorable and amazing journey for me. I joined LIBA right after I finished my BTech, and initially I felt that all the subjects were new and all the courses are new, but hats off to the amazing faculty members who helped me connect what I learned in my BTech and what the managerial acumen that is required in the industry at this point of time.
My name is Saji Sebastian and I am from the P18 batch. I work for Vishnu Cars, heading its Nexa division as its CEO. Joining LIBA was a beautiful dream. I call it a dream because I always wanted to do some course or the other at LIBA. When I passed by and saw the advertisement, I decided to apply. My learning started at the counseling itself. The counselors removed all my apprehensions and ensured that I could do this course with ease. Walking into the class, I saw a lot of lovely bubbly people from all walks of life, very eager to learn at LIBA. The professors were very professional and went an extra mile whenever we had any doubts. When I introspect, my last 2 years at LIBA has been a very smooth one, exceeding my expectations. I could always put in all my learnings at LIBA into my professional life and could earn mileage from it. I welcome you all to LIBA, the epitome of learning management.
I'm Dr. Neetu. I'm from the LIBA P18 batch. I work as the operations head of Sanjeevana, the holistic healthcare division of AVA Group. Learning at LIBA itself is an experience. To fire up the intense inner drive and explore them, it is exactly what LIBA does. The extraordinary faculties, and the amazing friends have helped us to develop both professionally and personally. It's a great privilege and a matter of pride to be a part of an esteemed institution like LIBA. Thank you.
Hi, this is Viti from P18 batch. To talk about the life at LIBA, it helped me to leverage my skills and potentials to attract the opportunities around me. Being a working woman, to dream on studying on weekends is only because of LIBA. I could see the transformation in my personality and in my professional approach in the daily course at my workplace only because of this business school. Thank you.
I'm Lavanya from P18 batch. LIBA has created an amazing journey and helped me to modify my personal attributes, and I'm learning a lot with highly experienced faculties, and the fee structure is very affordable as compared to other colleges in this situation.
My name is Sarvin. I'm part of P18 batch. About LIBA, it's unique and in one sense of teaching a management program. After joining LIBA, I have improved my soft skills, which able come out from the comfort zone, technical skills which I needed for current market, and knowledge in various other sources. Moreover, I have improved my connections. So if you are here, you are the chosen one. Welcome board. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all. This is Siddharth Srinivasan from the P18 batch. When I thought of doing an MBA, I looked around at many options, but I wasn't convinced with anything except LIBA. The main reason for this was the timings of the classes, which fit perfectly into my schedule and took me on a superb journey ahead. The main reason here, which makes me very happy, is that I'm able to balance my work, life and studies in a perfect way where I have no room for any kind of errors. At LIBA, I was never disappointed with any kind of the professors, the atmosphere or the overall learning experience, which is further enhanced by the amount of knowledge that we gain all through the college course. In my 2 years here, I've made a lot of great friends and a lot more smiles, and it's such a pleasurable experience that I wish to cherish all through my life. If you will definitely be committed and focused to your goals, LIBA is the perfect place. You should be happy that you've stepped into the right one.
My name is Yogesh. I am from P18 batch of PGDM program in LIBA. After I joined this program, I have gained a better understanding of business world environment, that means business requirement. I have enhanced my skills, management skills, which helped me to grow my career, as well as it helped me in financial stable position also.
I wanted to get joining to a B school where things would be really practical more than theoretical, and LIBA's faculty which they have was really like extraordinary, because all the professors just come over and they just tell us all their experience, what they've gone through, and all are very experienced people. And there are a lot of things which me as a learner and a learning businessman could actually learn a lot from their experience. Let be something which could be a very small tips which really did change the view that I see my business.
Hi all, I'm Neela from P19 batch. First of all, congratulations for getting into this institution, and yes, you have made the right choice for selecting LIBA for your part-time courses, because compared to other institutions which provide part-time courses, over here there isn't much difference between the full-timers and the part-timers. We have been given the same kind of exposure, more than the degree and the knowledge you gain from this institution. The name LIBA itself will speak for you. And coming to the management and the professors, they really did give me the space to explore as much as I could, especially the professors. They are open for any kind of communication and also reachable for all kinds of your doubts, subject-wise. And it also gave me the opportunity to make some good friends from different age groups and also from different sectors, which did help me to get different perspective and views on things. Overall, a year in LIBA was great and wonderful to me. Hope it will be the same for you all too. Thank you and all the very best.
Hi, greetings students. I am Varuneshwaran. I represent part-time 19 batch. About Loyola, I would like to speak about the faculty, the management, who have constantly strived to impart the best practices and pave a way for our potential in management to express itself in the most right and ethical ways. My favorite part of Loyola would be our library. It's a beautiful collection of all the top management lessons, all the top management books, journals, articles, along with almost every book that you would need for you to excel in your management career.
Hey guys, this is Prashant here from the P19 batch. I'd first like to welcome you all to LIBA, one of Chennai's most prestigious B schools. I'm pretty sure you guys are as excited as I was a year ago. The past 1 year for me at LIBA was a real roller coaster ride, A lot of challenges, achievements, and a lot of fun also. LIBA has always provided me with the best of amenities, the best of teachers who've always made classrooms so interesting. It was a real experience for me. I'm really glad that you guys are gonna experience that as well. And also, when you speak of LIBA, you should know it's not just about education, it's also about building your personality, your character, your attitude. So when you guys step out in like 3 years from now, it's gonna be a different you, a whole different person who's gonna step out into the world. So good luck guys, do the best you can.
And finally, I'll say faculties are really approachable, and they always welcome your thoughts, ideas, and they are very approachable to clarify and your doubts and everything, and make use of this opportunity, library, and all other resources, and have a happy learning experience. And I wish you all the very best for your new learning journey. And let's catch up soon at LIBA. And we are actually eagerly waiting to host your party to welcome you on board. And thanks a lot for the opportunity to catch up with you. And thanks a lot. Wish you all the best.